Did you know world-famous multi-Grammy award-winning singer Adele had to have surgery to remove polyps from her vocal cords, and not once, but twice? I think it's just sad that this amazing, talented singer maybe wasn't taught healthy vocal technique early on in her singing career. Yet many professional singers and professional speakers are unaware of one simple technique to help avoid causing damage to the vocal folds or vocal cords, which are interchangeable terms. Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and that simple technique I'm talking about is having a coordinated onset. Now, it can be tempting, especially when we're attempting to reach higher notes, to push through your throat without having sufficient breath. That can be tempting, right, Barbies?
Right.
So Barbarella Barbie is going to help me demonstrate today what happens when you push in your throat with a harsh onset. I'm Barbie, and I want to talk to you about some stuff today. Owie. There are three kinds of onsets when you voice a vowel sound, not a consonant. And those three kinds of onsets are a glottal, an aspirated, and a coordinated. The one you just heard, that I, that is a harsh glottal onset, G-L-O-T-T-A-L. And that's the one that can cause damage to your vocal folds or vocal cords. The coordinated onset is the one you really want, and that sounds like I, E, O, with the breath and the air coming out almost simultaneously. Now, if you have a little trouble going from that harsh glottal onset to that nice, flowing, coordinated onset, which a lot of us do, especially in American English, we are really prone to doing glottal onsets because of the structure of our language. So to get from the one to the nice one, you might want to use an aspirated onset, which means you just put a little tiny H in front of it. You can barely hear it, but it makes sure that you've got plenty of healthy breath flow. Hi, he, ho. Yeah, it works just great, huh? Onsets are only one of the many tools you will learn in my new online class, P.S. for public speaking, your voice could be better, beginning this October. Now, to see if this class is a good fit for you and to answer any general questions you may have about your voice, I'm offering a free webinar Friday, October 12th at noon Pacific Standard Time. So you can click the link in the description below to sign up for the free webinar. The world needs your authentic truth spoken in your authentic voice, and I'm here to help. Now, P.S., your voice could be better is a small, intimate training with room for only 12 people, so you will want to secure your spot right away. Thanks so much for joining me and Barbie today for this video, and remember to sign up for the webinar, click the link in the description below. Thanks, and we'll see you again next time.